sound purpose, you know, megaphones, why do they come out to project the sound?
Don't do it, dude.
You said you like the sound of a V8.
But yeah, but I also like the look of like the dual exhaust.
Small pipe.
That big.
That's so ugly.
Okay.
Gosh, look at that Ram. Holy cow. You see that red one back there? Dude, what are you listening to?
Queen.
No, it's not.
He thinks that Kelly Clarkson is better than.
So once you see the back of this hoodie, you'll be amazed.
Your hood's covering it up.
There, check it now.
Get on a new level. Wow. Stupid.
Look at the bottom part.
Go to your left a little bit. Any level lift. Wow.
$15,000 power stroke lift that you can either raise it up 12 inches or slam it to the ground. And you can control it with your phone.
High tech.
Try to get it for yours.
I don't think they
Put
could.
15 grand into a lift.
Yeah. 3 times the amount that this thing's worth.
Oh, it took me a while to say something, but I just told Mike that I wish he was some kind of rich CEO family.
Yeah, so do I.
I thought you would have taken it offensively or something.
Why would I take that offensively?
Because I'm wishing you were someone else.
I wish you weren't Mike.
Do that again.
No.
There's multiple times that I have to say do it again.
You're never gonna get the good stuff.
Come on.
Nope.
Please.
No. They can't know the real name.
That's it.
Zoom on the face, Jordan Ingles.
What did he say?
He said mute your mic when you grunt or something.
And then what did Jordan say?
He said, dude, my grunting, it's not grunting, it's my motivational. He said something stupid. I don't know. I thought he was gonna say, like, dude, what is going on? Because, dude, before, like Jordan would do it, and we'd be in a party with people that, like, we didn't all know or they didn't know Jordan. And then hear that, and somebody would say, what was that? They say, who is that? And nobody would reply.
Yeah, you wouldn't say anything.
It's so goddamn funny.
Well, I think something that I noticed over the days, especially since it's just us and Jordan now, that he doesn't think that we're making fun of him every moment that we're actually chilling with him on.
Yeah.
Going to the gym and everything. Because remember, he was raising his voice that one day, and whenever I said we're all too wealthy, and then he did that hand thing, he's actually not being all thinking that we're making fun of him every second.
Yeah. I always like getting an entire large Papa John's pizza for a nice workout, you know?
Yeah, but the thing is, though, is that the building looks as if it's your work, so you're going to put a repetitive effort in.
Gonna pull some muscles when I go in there. Why the fuck did they put that here, dude? It's literally on the one end of an old Giant. At least it's not. What if it was still the automatic doors? You know what I mean?
What if it is?
Oh, that's not. Some guys opening the door.
They should have kept it the same.
You definitely have to use the bathroom when I get in there.
People look over and a camera's hanging out the window.
So fucking spies.
What do you say about creatine speed?
Pretty cool guy. Never met him, but. You stop that?
Alright, so we got this color match Ford over here, and Mike always says he hates color match, but this doesn't look that bad. Alright, where are we headed to now?
Lowe's.
For what?
I don't know, actually. You wanted to go there and look through it. Oh, yeah, I saw.
For?
Removal sequence.
Of?
The fucking
old heebie-jeebie. Oh, whoa. Dude, you listen to Lord Voldemort music.
Yeah, that's probably what you're listening to.
I have the exposure up way too high.
Dude.
Is that a bicycle?
Yes.
Wow. I'd rather listen to a trombone solo than this.
So Derek doesn't like Led Zeppelin. Why does it look like a fucking Nissan now?
Look at all this now.
You're doing the classic vlog, like, we're like, all that stupid shit.
Come on.
Fucking faggot.
Dude.
Dude, you're gonna have 27 close-ups of my face. What do you mean what?
That's it.
Yeah, see?
It's a 32 valve Cummins.
Cool.
Look at that thing.
Here we are.
Where?
Oh.
Dude, that is honestly really ugly. That tailgate. They should have never. Well, not the tailgate. Well, yeah, that, but I mean the bed.
Yeah, dude, that's my tailgate, you asshole.
Well, it's small.
That bumper is fucking gay, though. I'll tell you that.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
I don't know.
From Sam's truck.
Damn.
Oh yeah, we got that lifted Dodge right there. Oh yeah, my bad, 1 sec. So we just ran the Lowe's and everything. Should I put it down here then? Right here?
What? Just hold it.
Dude, I need to... Alright, we were just running the Lowe's and everything, and I just picked up one of these. Mike was really shocked by the price I got him for. He actually was really bawling his eyes out.
Get that out of... Get away from him. Stop recording him, dude.
Across another cold state line, miles away from those you love, purpose undefined. And you can be true to you, but I have to win.
There's our high school. Oh, look at that place. Yeah. See, that's just not good enough.
Yeah, that's like perfect.
It's a pricey truck with not good enough rims.
You don't gotta get those deep dish bananas.
E-badged, what do you think?
I mean, it doesn't look that much worse.
It's a GMC.
Gotta take everything off now.
Everything?
Silverado, LT.
I didn't know you were into D-badge.
Alright, let's do this.
Let's do this.
What are we doing? What are we cutting something? Are we
Yeah.
just cutting that a little bit?
Yep.
Alright, we'll grab the saw.
Hey, that's a little offensive to some people.
Alright,
You gotta say butter knife.
grab the butter knife.
Hey, wait, knife is a little bit too.
We'll grab the butter knife.
Alright. What does it take to be a man?
Buy a lot of tools and you'll just start growing hair on your chest.
Alright, so I'm trying to get the tip in here somehow. I was hoping if I could...
It's not going very far.
Alright guys, so due to the local state laws and everything, we're not going to be able to access them. Obviously I could just clamp the pipe back, but I figured this may be a better way to go. So what do you say?
We'll give it a try. I don't often
You want to hold the camera then?
Huh?
I guess you could hold the camera then. Be a man. Did you?
Nope. Get
Alright.
this.
What do you have to say about this?
Pointless.
What is that? That looks so stupid now.
Well, yeah.
See, this is what you have to deal with.
Dude, you are too generous with paint.
I'm sure it's going to get a good rumble to it, so I think this mod is probably really cool. What do you think, Mike?
I guess we'll find out.
Alright, let's go. Like I told you, stay away from me. Ready?
Yeah.
Quiet on set. Lights, camera, action.
Gotta give it a few revs.
Yeah, alright.
nice.
So you gotta get one for yours.
I don't know about that.
So we were gonna take it out, but Mike wanted to drive his truck. He loves driving it.
Actually, Derek didn't want to drive because he's afraid of road salt.
There isn't any road salt on the road.
Still, you're still scared of moisture.
I don't want to hear it, dude. You describe attractive woman as being moist.
No, I don't. What?
I guess just tell them we're on our way. You do that. Man, I've been doing all the work. Wait.
Fuck you.
I even saw the pipe while you were just saying, oh, shimmerly timbers.
I was gonna do it for you.
You said you never touched a saw before.
What's the salt? See, this part's good. Well, then it gets
What band
good.
is this?
Hot Evil.
Your favorite.
I've never fucking heard of him before this song.
Pretty good. Why don't you power lift?
Too small. Better than that Hot Evil.
Go to a fort.
Yeah.
To Tim, I said I wanted to do an axle dump, but apparently that would not pass inspection. I could just clamp the pipe back when it comes to time to inspect, but I do not know if that's worth it. He said, oof, that's going to be hard to get to pass. Most shops can tell if that's what you did. I would get a separate exhaust that only goes to the axle if that's what you want. That way you can bolt the entire exhaust back on before inspection. But think about it, if I clamped it, how do they know that I'm going to be taking that off? Why wouldn't they just think that's permanent? And then I said, yeah, but some people's stock exhausts are with clamps, and the Ram stock exhaust was pure clamps. It wasn't all one welded exhaust. Shops could think that I clamped it for permanent use, and that's what I just said now. Wait for it. Wait for it.
There it is.
You didn't even look. You gotta say you have a sixth sense.
Yes.
Exuberant day we're having.
Exorbitant fucking prices we're experiencing.
Dockside of the moon.
Yay! Damn it, Derek told me to drive over.
What are you listening to right now, dude?
There's that guy right there.